Hi, my name's Lisa from Pilates by Lisa, and today I'm going to be taking you through a fantastic stretching routine that will help to release and relax through the entire body. Now, all you need for this workout is your mat, so let's get started.
I don't want to close my eyes. It's a dreamless town that never lets you down. Spinning the wheel.
We're now going to bring the soles of our feet together. So sitting in the center of your mat, just bring the soles of your feet together and hold on to where you can. Knees are nice and open, lifting up through that spine, pulling your abdominals in. And now we're just going to gently round through the spine, drop the crown of the head, rounding and lengthening and opening up through those knees, pressing the knees out to the side and really opening up through those inner thighs. Now we're going to lift up, stretch the spine nice and long, and then gently round over and stretch and drop the crown of the head. And then lengthening all the way up nice and tall, stretching as tall as you can. And dropping the crown of the head, pressing those soles of the feet together. One last time, lifting up through the spine, keep the shoulders down, keep the neck long, press those knees down. And then dropping the crown of the head, releasing and lengthening. Now we're going to reach one leg out to the side. You're going to bring the sole of your foot towards that inner thigh. You're going to reach down wherever you can, so you can slide your hand down the leg to where you can. You're going to hold on to that opposite foot if you can. Now open up through your chest, reach up and over and lengthen through your side, reaching and lengthening all the way out. Good, feeling your obliques lengthen as you reach that arm up and over. Now from here, you're going to rotate. You're going to use that opposite hand and reach wherever you can for the outside of your leg. For me, I'm going to reach right down for the outside of my foot. And then you're going to just drop the crown of your head, dropping your ear down towards that knee. So the opposite ear is reaching down as you reach across and stretch and lengthen all the way out. Keep your shoulders relaxed, keep your neck long, stretching all the way out. And then gently release that and we'll come straight over to the other side. So stretch your leg out towards the corner of your mat. Your foot is going to come towards the inner thigh. Slide the hand down, lift up and over. Stretch and release through your side, reaching nice and long. Nice deep breaths in through the nose, and every time you exhale, just sink down that little bit lower. And then you're going to reach that opposite hand for the outside of your foot, or reaching wherever you can on the leg. Now we're going to drop our ear down towards that opposite knee, stretching and releasing through your side. And then when you're ready, release that stretch, come all the way back to the center. This short and sweet stretching routine is an excerpt from our latest Graceful Flow stretching routine, now available on the online studio at pilatesbylisa.com.au. We have this full-length workout and over 500 more full-length, real-time workout routines waiting for you. We have reformer routines, challenges, programs, equipment and non-equipment workouts, and so much more. Check it out with our free 10-day trial. I can't wait to see you on the mat.
It's never felt so good.